What's happening with flights this morning?
When core systems go down, passenger handling cannot stop. Ink DRS activates immediately and operates independently of terminal systems. Check-in completed in under 30 seconds. Boarding pass and bag tag issued. No manual forms, no errors. Bag tags meet IATA standards and integrate with baggage systems, even during primary system outage. Boarding continues without disruption, and boarding passes scanned and sequences maintained. Flight load and passenger manifest available for departure clearance, ensuring regulatory compliance. For passengers, the outage is invisible. For airlines and airports, service continuity is protected. When systems fail, operations must continue. Ink DRS keeps your passengers moving and your network on time.